Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Thank you Ivy for reminding me. Don't forget this stream is sponsored by Lunrox Communication for all your VoIP and managed IT services needs. Lunrox.com if you want to go and get a consultation with them. There's my corporate overlords happy. So what are we doing today? Today I need to go and work on my work distribution. So for those of you who don't know, I build...
Roxanne_Lunrox cheered X5.
Is it working today? Why is the text not working anymore? Indeed it is. If you're in the UK, you do need to sign the online safety verification. If you just send your credit card details to my donation page, we'll get that all squared away, okay? Anyway, back to where I was. So, yeah, for work, I build a custom Gentoo distribution that we can use for info displays like museums and big events. So basically, you got like a museum piece, you can click and learn about the item in front of you, like on the touchscreen computer. We have got a little script that loads stuff that was meant to be just in case we ever forgot stuff, but it's kind of grown into this mess of shit. So today's plan is to try and get this into a nicer format, split it up a little bit. Kind of want to get stuff into inner scripts as well, but don't really fancy doing that today. So what I'll do instead is let's fire this over into no, let's try again. Let's mount my distribution and we'll get started on that. Right. You know what I didn't do? Let me go for it. Let's quit here. Let's exit. Let's sudo. It was a good start to stream. Alright, well, now I'm worried. When people are complimenting me. Who's Lunrox anyway? And why is my text-to-speech not working today? Maybe... yeah, that should be working. Maybe that fixes it. Alright. Well, we'll find out. There's only one queen, and that's me on a Friday night. Wait, what? Oh, hey, how you doing, mate? Long time no see. Everyone's been mean to me. Right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and rebuild this image. If I go Catalyst Kiosk. So this is where I store the files in a very neat, professional manner. What version are we up to? .1.7. So let's go and get a 1.8 version built. Still can't believe I'm allowed to use Final Fantasy 7 references in the work stuff. New people? Oh, you're in, For God's sake, now the music's too loud. All you do is complain, you lot. Right. How's that? Just send it in. Turn the game. I've turned off the fucking microphone. How's that? Everything alright? Right, so let's go and check this config out. So 1.8. Everything's good there. There's two types of people in the world. There's those that use that show off their text editors and just write configs to do nothing with their lives, and then there's those who use Nano and get the job done. Oh. Yeah, but do you do anything with Emacs? That's the question. Should get some WD-40 on that then, Lee. Get rid of all that rust from your computer. For those who don't get the joke, let me show you. WD-40 is a profile in Gentoo that removes rust from any profile. I wonder who wrecked that one. Some geezer called Imola, whoever that is. Okay, so we're going to quickly build an image here. This is obviously the distribution that's based on Gentoo. We call it a live stream. We'll then fire over the configs to take a look, see what we need to do. The rust is in the kernel. Buy a service from Lunrocks. I've only got one donation. One donation? I've only got one payment from you guys so far. I can't afford to buy your services. You can afford a free trial. I can't afford anything. Also, it's funny that you said about hello from hello in Dutch, because I just switched my VPN to the Netherlands today. I'm waiting for Damien to change it. The only time. You can install Gentoo without Rust. Not all architectures run it. Well, I mean, I I also put you on the starboard as well. Welcome to my life. Apparently that's a common time, someone was saying. But all the people here say they're in there for like hours on end. So I don't know. I just saw you when you're okay at the moment. One look at that mess and went, fuck me, that girl needs help. I think I was alright when my one was done when they wrote to me asking me to pick a date to talk to them. And then I had to say to him, look, I'm sorry, I need a bit of time to mentally prepare for this. I now have a reward for 3,000 Larrys that lets you change the window font to whatever you want. So people pick stupid window fonts. Wait, stop it. These are my people that are paying me money, eh? Yeah, that's the one. No, that's it. I'm going to unmerge. We're going to literally get rid of Gentoo and put Arch Linux on the system. I just want someone to change that wallpaper. Someone's got to have 6,000 points by now.
Roxanne_Lunrox cheered X5. Oh, don't worry.
Why is the cheering bit not working? Does it work when people follow again yet? Oh, you can hear it. Why can't I hear it then? I hear the big notification, but I don't... Imolo does not like Alpine Linux.
Luna_Moonlit cheered X5. LUNROX Communications is the place to go for all your it needs. Book a free consultation now.
Hang on, I'm just listening to see if this actually works. Oh yeah, so it does work, it just doesn't work for me. So why can't I hear anything? I wonder where the audio's going. Oh, don't say that. You're making me feel guilty. And I don't like it when you make me feel guilty. I'm trying to get Arch working, but I'm doing a special thing. You'll appreciate it when you see it. That's all I'm going to say. Right, so hurry up and build this Squash FS for us. Come on. Okay, so it's making the persistent storage for us. Yeah, Windows paid for my partying days in college. I love Windows. Ooh. Now there's some shorts outside, so my new room has an awesome view outside. Best thing I got to see though, there was a big fight yesterday night. There was like some guys were fighting. Sounded like over some woman. Absolutely brilliant. Went on for an hour. I was just out the window watching. Okay, so that's that done. And it should have done that too. Yes. Live stream 1.8. So we can now use QEMU NBT. And what this lets me do is actually mount the image as if it was a real drive. NBD 0. Build. Where the fuck have I been storing? There we go. Okay. There we go. Right. Now I can do mount /dev NBD 0 part. Is it part 4? Why can I not remember? Right, let's do. I am a professional, by the way, guys. Just stupid. Yeah, so 4 is what I want. NBD 0 partition 4 /mount USB. Okay, so see now we've got the ISO partition 4 mounted, so it's basically just acting like a normal hard drive connected to your computer would do, but with none of the faffing around. Nope, I don't use any of that. I just use NBD to do it. I mean, I'm heavily invested in QEMU at this point anyway, so using the tools that come with are pretty good. Catalyst also makes use of it as well. Right, so let's copy over home, below live stream. Okay, so that's everything moved over here. I love NBD. The first time I ever used it was when I was doing NFS root, and I didn't have enough RAM And obviously you can't do swap over NFS, but what you can do is use network block device to do it. You need Rust for Fin nowadays, so I don't use it. Although QEMU's apparently getting Rust soon, so that's going to be shit soon. Right, so my plan, I think, is let's delete this old live stream config. What do I have against Rust? It's taken fucking years of my life trying to get it working on different architectures. And upstream are dicks. And so is the community, to be fair. Right, so I wonder. Let's. Well, it's not even that. It's just the fact of if you ever try and highlight an issue with it, you're the one that's in the wrong. Like, even if you're trying to fix it, no. How dare you? Like, you're probably right. It is like a fucking religion. Right, let's try and break this down. So. Live stream. Okay. Right. Make it username. I mean, we are using Mate at work, mainly because I knew how to get it working straight away. I am wondering if I should switch away for version 2 or get Wayland working under Mate properly. Maybe that's what we'll do this week. We'll do some Mate e-build fixing. I don't know. Gnome's uses up too much memory. We do everything in RAM, so we want to keep as much free as possible. So Mate is quite nice. I mean, we can only use, we're gonna use about 200-300 meg, for the actual system, and then everything else is for system files, like the websites and stuff like that. Oh, I hate XFC. I absolutely hate it with a passion. Okay. Right, set wallpaper. This probably shouldn't be going in here, and instead should be going somewhere else. What's paper WM? Everyone keeps going on about paper. Any images? Don't know. I was wondering about LabWC. It could be quite nice. What's going on there? Don't know. Maybe we should try. When I was the biggest, I was a big cinnamon chew. I love cinnamon, to be honest. But I kind of got stuck into mate for my daughter, and now I'm stuck on it. To be honest, I don't care what they use. Oh, does he? Maybe I'll watch that then. Right. So, my plan here is... we can break out the script into little bits. So, if I make the live stream... config D. Maybe I'll just do that. I remember telling you to say you're just jealous because I got bigger balls than you, and then shutting them up. That's about it. I mean, Brody has asked me to go back on again for a second one, though. Has he asked you? No. Gutted. Anyone that knows him is interesting. So basically, the only reason he wanted to talk to you is because you know me. You know what you're saying? Okay. So I'm thinking about using numbers to code so we know not to touch this. I think... how do I describe this? I haven't really got a game plan for this. I'm just going to try and wing it as I go, because that's the way my brain works. My ego is absolutely loving this. Like, the grin on my face is literally beaming ear to ear. But my eyes hurt that I'm smiling so much. Okay. So let's copy this bit. Well, yeah, I mean, my mum's quite skinny, so... iron deficiency. Hey Benji, now I'm wondering, do I put in here copyright information? Is that just a bit weird? Ah, I think Damien's stealing my stream again. Hate it though, when you turn up, I get more people here. No, the record's 140 people, wasn't it, for the time that we did the HCP DD on the PS2. Nice. Get some Gentoo compiling in there. And we're back. There we go. Okay, charmed. Okay. God, I love a bit of lag, ain't you? So, if you refresh though, it should get you back to the same place I am. What's next? Okay. Networking. What I need is one joint first. I need 2 siders left. So good.
Traces of the love you left inside my lonely heart to weave by picking up the pieces.
Why is it going again?
Melodies of life, love's lost refrain. Call out my name. A voice from the past, joining yours and mine.
Come on. Right, we all back? Right, I hope we're all back.
So far and away, see the
Right,
bird
so
as it flies by, gliding through the shadows of the clouds up in the sky. I've laid my memories and dreams upon those wings. Leave them now and see what tomorrow brings. In your dearest memory, was it fate
Right, is that working now?
brought us close and now leaves me behind? A voice from
I think that's working. Oh, Yuka as well. I'd recommend getting very good Gentoo on AMD 64 before moving. On to Risk, it's okay, but it's still a little bit of a new platform at the moment. Any experience you got will help. Why is this not connecting? Right, come on. Right, there we go. Now it's connected. Fuck me. Right. Apologies, guys. We're back. Don't use a VPN. Streaming. That's what we've learned today. Or probably don't use a free VPN while streaming. That's probably the lesson. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty good at losing all my viewers, isn't I? Just because I'm stupid. Maybe I should have listened to you when you said don't set up a VPN this morning. Yeah, I'm back up to 6. Oh, I'll blame you. Hang on. Right, try it now. Right, I fixed it. I think everything's heavy because you're too weak. Right. Okay, so let's do networking, shall we? I don't know that song. Do you know any good bands like Limp Bizkit or something like that? Or Nickelback? Right. So that's networking done. Let's do IP. So, how do we do this? We need to set up two systems, one for Wi-Fi and one for wired. You always unsubscribe. That's the whole reason why you do a follow every day, isn't it? Hey, actually, what am I saying? I'm going to stop getting spam. Yeah, Linkin Park's good. Okay. So what we're going to go and do now then is set up static. Yeah, we're going to set up static internet. So. Thank you. That's the most genuine thank you I think you've ever said. Okay. Well, I think that works. So by default we use DHCP. Right. Yes. Oh no. Yeah, this is what I want. I got it, I got it. Into. Okay. And next I need to do Wi-Fi, so... Let's say that. So how do I do Wi-Fi again? I hate Wi-Fi. Linux Babe, what a name. So I can never remember what this file is called, so I'm just going to copy paste that. That one, this one, no. Where's my fucking thing? There it is. Right. So what I'm doing is I'm making a WPA supplicant on the root drive so we can change it easier. So. Let's just grab them for now. Hopefully that'll work. Let's try that. Right, how do I fucking run it though? Ugh. Okay. Yeesh. Okay. Because Wi-Fi is just a one-liner, just put it straight into the, the, the main loading script. That makes sense? Where do we get to next? DNS. It's only got one liner as well. So that just copies my resolve config from the live stream assistant memory straight into the system. Just a quick way so we can change from Google, OpenDNS, whatever we want to use, or custom DNS if we're doing something special for work. Handy feature. Right. I don't know if this is still needed, but restart Apache. Mainly because I wanted to try and fit in as many Final Fantasy references as I possibly could. And it means the first version I got to call Tifa Lockhart. I know I got an ego problem. And you like fit what? And you fit like two? Well, my next version's gonna be Aerith. But you wouldn't fit two between that big chest, would you? What you to do when you're out of girls? Parrot OS. Told you Darrett OS, isn't it? Darrett bait. I can't believe you don't know that you can date Barrett in Final Fantasy 7. Ahead of its time, it was. But I use their surname, so it's a little bit more thingy. So, actually, what is Sephiroth's surname? Is it Kojo?
As from a tree. Being together all alone, walking hand in hand. And I want to go to your city, to your home.
Well, great. Now I need to know this answer. Let's go and ask ChatGPT. It might know.
To feel your face, the touch of memory, and now that I awake, as from
Oh, okay. So it's just Sephiroth. He's got such a god complex. No wonder he's my favourite character. It's not a name, it's a brand. Just like Himalaya. Oh. Okay. What do we get to now? Starting Chrome, I guess. Well, I kind of hope you don't bugger me, but... What do I call people who annoy me? Just pricks, wankers, dick jockey, cockwomble. That enough? Can keep going. I'm British, we've got hundreds of names for these. Oh. Oh, oh, naggers. No, I don't know that one. Okay. I can't believe we've got to wait to the 20th to see the next episode, though. Ridiculous. Right, what we got to next? Right. Okay. Oh, fuck, that's happening nice. Shit. Right, then Charmod plus X live stream. Config 10. I think there we go. That'll load that magic. Oh, shit. Then I think that is everything. So, I guess the plan now is, let's see if it boots. Disconnect. Enable KVM. Let's give it a CPU host. 12 mem gig. I'll give it 16 gig. CD-ROM. Will this work first time? That is the question, eh? That does not look like it worked first time. Why did that not work? Oh, I know why it didn't work. Because I'm a dick. Well, it's still not works, but... I don't want. Helps if I make a live stream executable, isn't it? Hey, Bunny. You missed all the fun. We've been going through a large bash script and splitting it up to make it easier to read. We're just seeing if this has fixed it. Some idiot mounted the drive wrong the first time, and the second time didn't make the script executable. But hey, it's working now. So there we go. It now works. Oh. Can you not remember how you compress with thingy though? Well, I just asked this and right, so I just want to do... I can never remember the zip commands. Tar, I'm fine with. I'm quite impressed that I got the thing working first time. I'm not sure... well, I'll say that now. We'll see if there's another stream later on after the boss checks over. Right, so that's compressing. Luckily, I got all the merges for that actually into Gentoo itself, so it does all the mounting for me directly in Catalyst when we build it now. And we load most stuff directly into RAM. The bad side is it's only my handiwork that's going to break anything. But yeah, that's kind of how we see it. Like, if it's actually in Gentoo, there's more people watching things break, you know what I mean? Okay. So... But I think that is all we got time for today. I haven't really got much else on to go and do an extended stream or anything else. But maybe tomorrow's stream, if I do one tomorrow, we'll maybe look at some of the version 2 scripting of this. Maybe changing some of the file stuff, get away from Mate into Wayland's. But that, to be honest, we need to go and see how this change works for work first to make sure we can move on to other stuff. Anyway, thank you all for coming along today. Thanks again to the stream sponsor, LongRocks Communication, longrocks.com for your managed IT solutions. But for now, keep compiling, everyone.